Hi, so in today's vlog I'll be moving out. I'll be moving to another apartment, but before that, time to grab something to eat.
This wave is in. Back again with the power out. We here to bag your bitch like groceries.
1 week, 2 shows in it. 1 bag, 2 hoes in it. I ain't gotta lie to you. iPhone, new flows in it. Don't be tryna put your nose in it. I ain't gotta lie to you. New whip, burning weed in it. It be hard not to speed in it. I ain't gotta lie to you. Talk with a lot of emphasis. Like me, only difference is I ain't gotta lie to you. I know you're gonna learn to love me. Cause I be pretty when it's ugly. I hit her with a Dougie. I told her, baby girl, you love me. But keep the gavel, don't judge me. I'm everywhere the sun be. I'm at the crib sitting comfy. I go bananas on the monkey. I turned it to a junkie. And all my niggas from the country. But we be fighting out the country.
So I finally left that shithole of an apartment that was in Deira. That apartment was a nightmare, man. From the bathroom having no light to it being unclean for like months, you know, and the ceiling deteriorating every like freaking 5 minutes, you know. That place was some experience, man. So anyways, now we are in Burjuma.
I ain't gotta lie to you. Talk with a lot of emphasis. Like me, only difference is I ain't gotta lie to you. I know you're gonna learn to dig me. Cause I be poking at your kidney, your old nigga history. I do my thing, it ain't no.
This place is like a really residential area, really calm, peaceful and really quiet. The roads are also not so busy over here. The place is like 5 minutes away from the metro, so it's like really close to my workplace also, so I can like travel to my workplace easily with ease. And I've got with my friend, so we're sharing the room, so that way it's more cost effective. So it's like 1500 dirham per room, so for both of us it will be 750 dirham each, so that's like really worth it. So it's a partition room, it's like decently sized. So the apartment has like 1 kitchen and it has 2 bathrooms, and it has other facilities such as the washer and the Wi-Fi. So like for 750 per person, it's really worth it, I guess, you know. Hope you all found this video useful and enjoyed it. So in the next video we'll be going to a gym where we got free membership. So stay tuned.